Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with 3 essentials: your 12-digit Aadhaar, the mobile number registered with Aadhaar, and access to the Aadhaar portal or Aadhaar app. Once logged in, choose the Biometric Lock/Unlock service to begin. Make sure your phone can receive OTPs because every change requires one. You do this now to prevent biometric authentication. Do not pause. Enter your Aadhaar number, request OTP, and prepare to confirm identity. It's the necessary security step before any lock action. Once you select Lock under the Biometric Lock/Unlock service, the system shows a short warning explaining effects. Read it, then proceed. After you request lock, enter the OTP that lands on your registered mobile to authenticate the change. Make sure to enter digits exactly. If the OTP expires, request a new one. After successful authentication, Aadhaar confirms the action with a reference ID and displays the current lock status. This tells you the biometrics are now disabled for authentication. Finish by noting that Aadhaar does not provide an irreversible permanent lock. Locking prevents biometric use until you intentionally unlock with OTP. Save the reference ID and a screenshot of the confirmation as proof. If the dashboard does not update or OTP fails repeatedly, wait 10 minutes and try again. Network delays can block SMS. If problems persist, contact the Aadhaar helpline with your reference ID. This is the fastest troubleshooting route to complete the lock or to resolve inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.